Hi guys, this is Anukha. Today I'll be reviewing this induction stove from Pigeon. So let's get started. This induction stove comes with a feather touch control panel which makes it easier to operate. It comes with 8 preset menu options and has an automatic shut-off feature. The stove is made of ABS plastic and has a stylish design which looks great in any kitchen. It's easy to clean and maintain and safer to use than traditional gas burners. The stove is also very energy efficient, making it a great option for everyday use. If you're looking for a modern replacement to your gas burner, then this induction stove from Pigeon is just for you. I hope you found this review helpful. Go get yours today.